Hello each and every one of you. My name is Ahad Yusuf and welcome back to my channel Learn English with Ahad. So drawers across the globe, as I have promised you in my previous video, in my upcoming video I will take 44 sounds of 26 alphabets, and in today's lesson I am taking 44 sounds of 26 alphabets. And this video is not only for beginner, this video is for A1 to C2 English learners. Hopefully you enjoy this video and give me thumbs up and subscribe my channel and share this video with your friends. So let's get started. So before getting into the 44 sounds, so how it becomes 44 sounds? So first of all, as you know that there are 5 vowel sounds. Yes, these 5 vowel sounds generates 20 different sounds. 12 monophthongs, 8 diphthongs. So the remaining 21 consonants generates 24 consonant sounds. Okay, without wasting a single second, let's get started. So let me remove it. So let's get started. So let's start with monophthongs. So the first vowel sound is E. E. The long E sound. E. E. As in the word sheep. 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 Okay, the next one is I. I. The short E sound. I. I. As in the word England. 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 Okay, the next one vowel sound is U. U. The short U sound. U. 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 Okay, let me take one example of U. Look. 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 Okay, let's jump to the next vowel sound. Ooh. The long U sound. Ooh. Ooh. As in the word shoot. 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 Okay, the next vowel sound is A. 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 As in the word bed. 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 A. Bed. Okay, the next vowel sound is A. To pronounce this vowel sound, relax your jaws like A. A. As in the word teacher. Dear words, do you know that this is one of the most important vowel sound in English language? Do you know his name? It is called John. Just kidding. It is a schwa vowel sound. Remember his name. Schwa vowel sound. Okay, the next one. The next vowel sound is er, 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 as in the word bird, bird, bird. Okay, the next vowel sound is o, 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 as in the word door, door, door. The next vowel sound is a, 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 as in the word cat. Do you know that cat is my favorite animal? A, cat, cat. Okay, let's jump to the next vowel sound. It is a, 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 as in the word up, up, up. So let's jump to the next vowel sound. It is o, o, as in the word four, four, four. The next vowel sound is o, o, as in the word on, on, on. Okay, your concept is clear with the 12 monophthongs. Let's jump to 8 diphthongs. So first of all, before getting into the diphthongs, I would like to say something to you. So as you know that, 12 monophthongs means just a pure vowel sound. Monophthong means pure vowel sound, and diphthongs. Diphthong means a sound which has two sounds. Means two sounds. Diphthong, remember it. Monophthong means a pure vowel sound. Diphthong means which has two sounds. Okay, let's get started. So the first diphthong vowel sound is ear, 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 as in the word here, here, here. Let's jump to the next diphthong vowel sound. It is a, as in the word wait, wait, wait. The next vowel sound is O, 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 as in the word tourist, tourist. The next one is Oi, Oi. It is a really funny vowel sound. Really, I love this one. Oi, 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 as in the word boy, 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 boy. You may repeat after me. Boy, boy. The next one is ow, 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 as in the word now, now, now. Now I would like to play. Now, now. The next vowel sound is ear, like this one. Ear, here, here, as in the word here. Tell me in the comment section, I have a beautiful hair. I would like to see your replies on my hair. Ear, ear, here, here. The next vowel sound is I, I, as in the word my, my, my. The next vowel sound is ow, like this one. Ow, ow, now, ow, cow, cow. Okay, your concept is clear with the 8 diphthongs. Okay, let's jump to the consonants. 21 consonants. So, remember it. 21 consonants generates 24 consonant sounds. Okay, let's get started. So, the first consonant sound is P, pan, pan, B, bot, T, tea, D, dog, ch, 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 cheese, J, j, June, k, k, car, g, go, f, f, fly, v, v, video, sink, sink, the, this, 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 s, see, see, z, zoo, sh, 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 show, show, show. The next, okay, y, 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 vision, vision, television, television, vision, v, y, television, m, man, n, nose, n, nose, mm, 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 sing, sing, hat, l, love, r, red, red, w, wet, y, yes. So finally I have taught you 44 44 sounds. Hopefully you have learned from this video. Please share this video with your friends and your friends will be benefited from my video. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe my channel and share this video with your friends. Now see you in the next video. Goodbye.